121 fresh COVID positive cases have been detected in Sikkim in the last 24 hours. And this takes the total number of active cases in the state to 798. Out of the 121 positive cases, 97 are from East Sikkim, 14 from South Sikkim and 10 from West Sikkim. And with this, the total number of positive cases in the state has risen to 7,158. With 14 recoveries today, the total number of discharged persons stands at 6,069. Meanwhile, Meghalaya reported 155 fresh COVID cases in the last 24 hours, and this takes the total COVID tally in the state to 15,786, with as many as 1,244 active cases. Moreover, one more COVID-related death was reported from the state yesterday. This takes the total COVID death toll in the state to 158. On the other hand, 148 COVID patients were discharged in the last 24 hours after recovering from the illness, taking the total recovery tally to 14,384 in Meghalaya. Tripura, on the other hand, reported 127 fresh COVID cases in the last 24 hours, and the total COVID tally in Tripura has climbed to 34,429, and active COVID tally has risen to 627. Meanwhile, with 18 more recoveries in the last 24 hours, the recovered tally has climbed to 33,351. The total death toll stands at 391. On the other hand, 130 fresh cases of COVID-19 have been detected in Manipur. This takes the total number of positive cases in the state to 30,281, with as many as 705 active cases. Also, 2 persons have succumbed to the deadly virus in the last 24 hours, taking the total number of deaths to 383. On the other hand, 13 COVID patients were discharged in the last 24 hours, and the recovered tally stands at 29,193 in Manipur. Meanwhile, 114 fresh COVID positive cases have been detected in the state of Nagaland in the last 24 hours. Among the 114 positive cases, 101 are from Dimapur, 4 from Kohima, 2 from Mokokchung and 7 from Pek. This takes the total number of active cases in the state to 555, and positive cases in the state has risen to 13,003, with 12,117 recovered patients so far. Mizoram, on the other hand, reported 105 fresh COVID cases today, and this takes the total COVID tally in the state to 5,388, with as many as 712 active cases. Moreover, one more COVID-related death was reported from the state in the last 24 hours, and this takes the COVID death toll in the state to 30. Meanwhile, 36 COVID patients were discharged in the last 24 hours so far. A total of 4,663 COVID patients have recovered from the illness in Mizoram.